welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. So today I'm here to show you how to do your own business cards from home. So what you want to do is you can go to Avery.com, or you can even find these off Amazon and buy this. It's called the Line and Texture Business Cards Clean Edge. And let's see, you get how many cards you get? You get each sheet has 10 cards, and you get 200 cards, and you have 20 sheets. So guys, this is very simple, very easy. Again, you can get this off Amazon, or you can just go to Avery.com yourself. Now, you don't have to get a line and texture. You can get any kind of texture you want. I just got this because it was the cheapest on Amazon. So here's an example of what it would look like. So I'm going to show you how to do the design and how to actually print it out. It's very simple, you guys. You guys will love this, I promise. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do is go to Safari or Chrome, I guess it doesn't matter. And you just want to go to Avery.com. So as you can see, Avery.com, and then you just want to type in your template number that was on your business cards. So when you buy it, it'll say a certain number. So I'm going to type in 8873. And then so this is what it looks like, and this is the price. But on Amazon, this was like $11 or $12. And so as you can see, like right here, it will have a number. So this is the number that you want to look for, that you want to type in. So yeah, I'm going to go back. And let me hit the back button. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to design these cards on here. So I'm going to choose the template. I'm going to choose the template. And I'm going to start designing. So this is what I'm going to press, start designing. So that'll load. And so this is what you want to do. You want to choose which one you want. So one has print one side only. If you want to print both sides, make sure you choose the both sides option. This is for if you want the business cards to lay like sideways. So you probably don't want this one, and I know you don't want one side. Well, most people don't. So definitely make sure you choose the one that says both sides. So that's what I'm going to choose. I'm going to hit select. Now we're going to choose which kind of design you want. If you don't like any of these designs, you can also upload your own design. So as you can see, they have by categories like animal and nature, or flowers, something like that, holidays, Mother's Day, styles. I have a lot of Hello Kitty. But yeah guys, anything that you want to do. So I'm just going to choose one just for an example. I have a really hard time choosing one because I like so many. I like that, but I feel like that's not enough. But whatever, I just choose that one. So yeah, this is gonna load, and then you just you can just X that out. I mean, you can read it if you want to, but we don't really need that. So you just want to follow the directions. So place name here. So I'm going to type in my business name, which is Marisa Cosmetics. Alright, company. Oh wait. Okay, well I'm just going to ignore that. So you don't have to put your address if you don't want to. Email Marisa Cosmetics at yahoo.com. Put your phone number. I'm not going to put my phone number on here. See, I don't want my phone number on my business cards because I do have a YouTube channel, and I don't want everybody blowing up my phone number, so that's why I wouldn't put that. So if you don't want, you can always exit it out. I'm just going to put my website, marisacosmetics.com. And I'm not going to put my address. I'm just going to put, let's see, best glitter lip gloss. This needs to be capitalized. Let's see. And then I'm going to put $4 glosses. Do I want to put that? I don't know. I really don't like putting the amount because I might change my prices if I don't like doing that, but it'll be okay. And another thing, you can change the font. I'll get to that in a second. But so, you will have like a white outline, as you can see. So this doesn't fill up the whole square. So these lines is just like the farthest you can go. So it'll just have like white on, like it'll have like a white border. But if you don't want a white border, then what you would do is just space this out like this, so you won't see that, as you can see. So it'll look like that. But Avery templates, like, they don't really line up correctly. That's why I recommend just having the white border. But it won't even be completely even, but it's better than just doing it full, because like one side will have like a white line, and I don't like the way that looks. That's why I want to like keep the white border. So I'm going to keep the white border. So I'm just going to choose undo, like that. Didn't I put Marie's Cosmetics here? Okay. But yeah, if you don't want that, then you can just make it full. But I can't promise you that it's gonna, like, the whole thing's gonna be pink. Like, it's gonna be some type of white line on one side. So yeah, let's see. Marie's Cosmetics, $4 glosses, best good lip gloss. Marie's Cosmetics at yahoo.com, mariescosmetics.com. I guess that looks okay. Now if you want to do the back side, you just hit back of sheet. I want to do additional information. For some reason, it's not giving me that pink. So what we can do is go to shapes, fill. Yes, I want to fill up that color. Add a shape, add a rectangle, apply. So as you can see, it's the same color. And I'm not going to do it this way. I'll probably change it like this. So something like that. But you want to make sure that kind of lines up with that one. And it kind of does not. So kind of this needs to be a little bit wider. But see, this is kind of curved on the side. So I don't think they have like a regular rectangle. Yeah, see, they don't have like a regular. Oh, I didn't even see this right here. Apply. Hold on. Let's see if I can get rid of this. Cut. I just right clicked the screen. That's how I got rid of that. So I'm just going to redo that. Add a shape. The rectangle, apply. So I'm just going to space it out just like this. Let's see how that looks. Okay, this needs to be a little bit wider. A little too wide. Guys, this could take some time. But for right now, it doesn't have to be perfect because this is just for demonstration purposes. Okay, let's see. Is that close enough? This could be a little bit wider maybe. Okay, that's going to be good enough for now. So you can add an image if you would like to. So I'm going to add an image. Computer gallery. Okay, but where's my photos? My account. Okay. So I'm going to choose that one. This is something that I already uploaded. But yeah, this is what that looks like. So yeah, here's just an example if you wanted to add your face like that, or like a certain image. But I don't like this because I want to make these thank you cards, so I'm going to get rid of this. So I'm just going to type in some stuff. Let's see. Text. Add a text box. Okay. Thank you. Okay, first of all, let's change this font. I'm going to change the font on the first one as well. I love this lobster font. That is like so pretty. Where's the lobster? There we go. Thank you for shopping with Marisa Cosmetics. What else do I want to add? Enjoy enjoy 10%. Where is the percentage? Okay. Off. Let's see. Your next purchase. And then, okay, this just needs to be lined up, but I'm gonna worry about that in a second. Let's see how this looks. You want to make sure everything's kind of like lined up. I guess this is okay. Enjoy 10% off your next purchase. Your next purchase, not purchase. You can always move this up like that. Don't want to type in use code. What is my 10% off code? Because I made one just for like YouTube. So yeah, guys, if you want to purchase from me, you can use this code as soon as I can find it. Yeah, it's called Mari Subs, and it's all caps. Mari Subs. But see, that looks ugly, all caps though. Subs. I might change this font because I hate the way that looks. But then that kind of don't look right. Use code Mari Subs. I guess that's okay. I don't know. Thank you for shopping. So what's the issue? What is the issue? Continue anyway. I ain't got time for you. Okay, so again, this is the front. I don't know how I'm supposed to go to the back. Print it. So after you do this, you just want to hit print it yourself. Print front and back of sheets. Yeah, I want to do that. Print now. Which document you save? Yeah, you can save. I don't care. Save to your account. Sure. Let's save. Okay. Download. Yeah. So it's gonna go to Acrobat if you have it. If you don't have Acrobat, I don't know what it's going to go to. It might go to Word. I'm not sure because it went to Acrobat. Okay. So everything looks good. So yeah, so now it's time for the next step. So after this, you just want to hit print and it should print. So now I'm going to show you how to put the paper in your printer and so on. So this is the label paper. You just want to make sure that this says front side. As you can see, it says back side. So I'm just going to flip this over like that. And you just want to make sure that it's straight. So every should be like that. That's how you know you're printing the NYA. You just want to put it in face down. So as you can see, the business cards are already cut out, so you have to be very careful with putting this paper in. And when you do print, make sure you choose glossy in your printer section. Make sure you choose glossy in your printer type paper so it can print well and that it will handle it with care. Otherwise the business cards could pop out of it. So yeah, I'm just going to put this in the printer face down. So what I mean by face down is you just put it like that, like just face down in the printer. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like coming out the printer. Put it back in the printer face up just like this so it can print the back side. So I just want to put this all the way in and then just print the page 2, and then I will show you guys what it looks like when it comes out. But so far so good. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm done. This is what it looks like when it comes out the printer. Guys, I love my printer. It prints freaking amazing, as you can see. Very clean. As you can see, like one side's kind of thicker than the other. Like this bottom part is more white than the top. It is because I didn't line it up correctly. So when you do this, make sure you line it up correctly. Don't be like me, okay? And then I want to flip it over. So this is the back. As you can see, like I just like black because black just looks so much, it looks more clean than colors. That's why I prefer black. And then I didn't want my coupon code in that font. It just looked ugly. So this font is much better. But yeah, guys, this is what it looks like. Like that's just so clean. Super easy, right? Super simple, super affordable. So now I'm going to show you guys how to break it down and get it out of this paper. Okay guys, so what you want to do is just, so this is what it looks like. So all you want to do is just fold it like this. As you can see, it pops right out. And then you just want to open it back up. And you can do this side first. So all you want to do is just fold this top part back like this. Fold it back like that. And you just want to do that for all the sides. So I'm going to do the same thing for this side. Just going to fold this back like this. So as you can see, it easily just folds back. And then you're going to do the same thing for the last side. But yeah, super easy, super simple. So yeah, and it just pops right out. So this is what it looks like. Once you pop it out, you'll just see two straight lines like that. And then all you do is just fold it and it comes right out. So as you can see, I'm just going to fold that backwards like that and boom. Pops right out. Super easy. Super simple. So I'm just going to do that for all of these like that. Pops right out. And what I like about these is they're clean cut, as you can see. Nice clean cut. Very easy, very simple. So again, this is how you make business cards front and back. So to avoid the extra white space, you just want to fill it up, or if you want the white border, just make sure that they're all equal. So as you can see, I have a lot of white on the bottom instead of the top. So make sure you just line everything up and you won't have these problems. So again, guys, $4 glosses at marisacosmetics.com. If you want 10% off your purchase, just use this code MariSubs. If you want 10% off your purchase, just use this code MariSubs and you'll get 10% off, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.